murdered out 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Sinister than right now. Why? You cut my head off? Couldn't be any more sinister than right now. Why? Because we're doing a video on this 2016 Ford F-250 Lariat 6.7 liter turbo diesel 4x4. Behind us is a damn tornado approaching. It's like the evilness of evil has come about right now, because I hope you guys like the video, because my God, this sucker sounds damn good. Check it out. Scope it out. First, we're going to start off with this. All fully murdered out truck right here. We got a set of gorgeous brand new tinted housing headlights, okay, tinted lens headlights, tinted fog lights, Recon mirrors. We got a set of Ballistic Off Road 20x9 wheels. They're black, all gloss black with a machined accents in them, wrapped in a gorgeous brand new one of my favorite tires, guys. I'm going to tell you why I like this. It's so aggressive looking, this tire, okay? It's called the Atturo Blade. It's probably been out for a little bit, but it's a 35, 1250, 20-inch tire. Sorry, I gotta talk loud because the hurricane's coming. No, I'm just kidding. It's getting pretty loud in here. It's raining out, as you can see, you guys. I feel like a damn weather forecast man. And here's our commitment to you. We're doing videos even in the rain with funnel clouds above us. Moving on with the truck. I got the windows tinted, fully murdered out. And this truck also has a fully built trans. I got all the paperwork for that. The trans is fully built, and it has a full exhaust system, full 4-inch MBRP exhaust system, black leather, sunroof, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, exhaust brake. All right, all you guys that like the Jake brake in action, exhaust brake, this truck has it. You going downhill, you pulling something, you hit that, sounds sick. Honestly, it sounds really tough, guys. If you're hauling stuff, if you just feel in the mood to sound really tough when you're driving down the road, what have you, hey, use it. It's kick ass. But let me walk around the truck with you guys real quick. So it's got a spray-in bed liner. We did a lot of mods to the truck. We got a all LED third brake light right there. I saved the original floor mats or mud panels. And as you guys probably saw in the previous video, this mother effer right here, Noah pulled a hell of a prank on me today. He's ahead of his game. I'm like, man, you know what? You got to utilize your time, because I don't like wasting paychecks. And he's like, oh, I'll take care of it. He's always that type of guy, but he impressed me today. Kind of not, because now I'm out of pocket another 60 bucks, but whatever. I mean, you guys got like 2 sets of new filters in this damn truck, because he tricked me. He's ahead of his game all the time. Check this out, guys. All right, this is the cool part I like about this truck. Roll pan. It's got a roll pan in it. A lot of you guys are used to those roll pans being, being metal or, you know, whatever. This one, it's ABS plastic, and it's molded perfectly to the body lines of the truck. Well, pretty good to say the least. And with that said, it doesn't have any like warp or flex in it, whatever. It looks really nice. I like the way it looks on the truck. As far as the suspension, let's take a look back here, and we'll show you guys from a side shot of what we did with this truck right here. So we took out the block in the rear, okay, the block sticking on the rear. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna hand over the torch to the previous owner, okay? The previous owner, I just say did this. That way I don't take all the credit. Previous owner took the block out of the rear, okay? He pressed the spring in the front. That way it's all, you know, it sits really level. You guys have 2 things. So factory bone stock truck, you're gonna be slanted a little bit. A lot of people do things called put a leveling kit. You put a leveling kit, it spaces it out the front end to lift it up a tiny bit, which makes the truck level. Hence the term leveling kit. We did the opposite on this, or he did the opposite on this. Took out the block in the rear, compressed the spring in the front. Now the truck still sits level, it's only the opposite way. So it's essentially lowered. And going on to the inside, I want to show you guys the inside real quick, because it's starting to downpour. These, I actually got these done, because it was, no offense, buddy. I love you. We had, we talked on the phone for quite a few hours. No hate against the game, whatever. I got all these accents repainted the factory OEM color gloss black. I think it's tuxedo black or whatever it is. It's got the nice flake in it and stuff like that. The center console, I got that all done. I got my blacked out glasses right here because I'm sinister all the way. Like black shoes, black shirt, carbon fiber black necklace that my wife bought me where my coordinates where we first met at. Black G-Shock watch, blacked out military bracelet, 550 paracord. It's all murdered out today, guys. Anyways, I hope you like the truck. Sunroof, all LED lights inside. It's just a really nice truck. You guys, whoever buys this thing is gonna really enjoy it. Bluetooth, door jambs are clean as hell. It's a Southern truck. I love it. And it sounds nice, and I just can't talk. I can't speak more highly of it. I've been driving it for the past 2 or 3 months, and I really like it. And I'm hating to give it up, but I got a new vehicle in the works. You guys are gonna see here shortly. I'll start it up for you guys. I'll have Noah get by the exhaust. I'm gonna rev it up so you guys can hear it. Check it out.
Yo!
Come over here, it's really raining out right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what else real quick. All these Fords come factory, either if you get a Lariat or Platinum, they're gonna come like nice, designed up in like brushed aluminum nickel. I got these painted as well. Let's go under the hood because it's really starting to downpour right now. So guys, under the hood, check it out. It's starting to downpour. So it's deleted, all right? Everything's deleted. Come check it out. Your block off plates, EGR, all that jazz. All done away with because it's all beautiful, badass truck. You get all this factory crazy cool caps on it and whatnot. And it's starting to rain right now. This is Mark signing out because I'm drenched with the 2016 Ford F-250 Lariat. Turbo diesel 6.7 liter, murdered out. It's about to storm, tornado time. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, hit the notification button because I'm out of here. Peace out, see ya. Don't end the video yet, Noah. Don't end that video yet. Don't end that video yet. I'm taking off. Ready?